the 1st of June 2024, I flew to Cambodia to meet Louis, my boyfriend. We plan on backpacking Southeast Asia over the next 2 months, and this was our first adventure of the trip.
Hey, so this is our ride for today. Hired an e-bike, it's got some kick, it's a Vespa, and we're gonna go explore the Angkor Wat sites. That's our day.
The city of Angkor is the largest ancient temple complex in the world, covering over 400 acres. The main attraction is Angkor Wat, and it is huge. It was built in the first half of the 12th century, making it almost 900 years old. It was originally dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu and commissioned to be built by a Hindu king. But 27 years after his death, by the end of the 12th century, it became a Buddhist temple. By the 13th century, it was no longer a site of political or commercial significance, but remains an important monument for the Buddhist religion in the 1800s. Unfortunately, the temple fell to disuse and maintenance on its massive body ceased. In the 1840s, however, it was rediscovered by a French explorer, who wrote the site was grander than anything left to us by Greece or Rome. The temple is filled with engravings of Hindu religious stories and deities. To wander through its huge corridors is such a pleasure and leaves you feeling lost inside its belly. Tar Prom was the second temple we visited. It was smaller in size of structure, but even more incredible than the first. The temple walls are swallowed in huge trees, making it look like it's being swallowed by a gigantic octopus. We then visited Bayon Temple, famous for its giant smiling faces carved into the temple pillars. This is pretty crazy because we're at this temple right now that has all these massive faces on them, and there's nobody here. Like, it's so empty. I think it's because there's so many temples here that are so impressive, but I just feel like in most other places, if you were in such an amazing location like this, there'd just be so many more people, but it's empty. The corridors between each section of the temple are like huge mazes. It's hard to demonstrate the size of these entwining rooms that make it so much fun to explore. The last temple we visited, we were the only people there at all. At the end, there was a Buddha statue with a tiny little kitten sleeping right in the palms of his hands. It was such a beautiful way to end the day, and after being soaked in ancient ruins and jungle all day, we felt as zened out as this little kitty too. So that was our day, exploring the temples of Angkor in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Now we have an overnight sleeper bus taking us to Koh Rong Island tomorrow, so I'll see you there in the next video. If you've watched to the end, thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment so I can personally say thank you. See you later.